the holidays. Nothing better in life than spending time with the family, going absolutely bananas behind the kitchen, cooking, and making sure that we prepare the nice booze to you and all your guests. Hello everybody, my name is Gustavo Rojas. Welcome to Hey Bartender, edition Fun Christmas Cocktails. And today, well, I'm answering the questions of or suggestions that some people ask me regarding what should I do in with a certain liqueurs that you have at home and you don't know what to do with it. So today, if you allow me and you stay here with me, let me show you how to make an amazing espresso martini and a lovely Amaretto sour for those beautiful days. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how to pour these guys.
Good.
All right. Thank everyone for staying for this special edition of Fun Christmas Cocktails. I hope you guys enjoy it. And well, today I want to talk a little bit about the Amaretto Sour. This is a beautiful cocktail, and obviously a lot of people, they don't know how, sometimes you get just like these liqueurs in your storage room or in your cabinet for a very long period of time and you don't know what to do with it. Well, this is your perfect time for it. Please take a note, because we're gonna make the Amaretto Sour. This is an amazing cocktail. It's very wintry. It is just perfect, for the season. I mean, nice, sweet, a little bit of acid, but I mean, it's at the same time kind of like a nice and warm, and it has a beautiful presentation. We're gonna start by putting some ice in our shaker. Let's grab Amaretto of your preference. Di Saronno, Conti, Asaro, Amore, you name it. We're gonna go for 1.5 ounces. And because the Amaretto, it is just kind of like a low content liqueur, no low alcohol content liqueur. You wanna fortify it a little bit. So let's grab a really nice bourbon, 100% proof, and we're gonna put 1/2 ounce, just to fortify it. Fresh lemon juice, 1 full ounce, egg white. And for those people that they don't like egg whites, Amazon, internet, certain specialty stores, they have the fava foamer. So this is, technically speaking, some garbanzo chickpeas dehydrated, blended, pulverized. So eventually this guy turns into 224 cocktails. So if you are vegan, this is going to be a really good option for your sours. I mean, the flavor is also on point, so you won't be disappointed. So now that we have all these ingredients, let's make sure we give them a really nice shake. Right?
Right.
So you might notice that I have not put any kind of a sugar. Well, that is because Amaretto is extremely sweet. So if you add simple syrup or your sugar flavoring that you like the most, you might overdo it. So rectify your sweetness. For me, this is absolutely perfect. For you, maybe you want to go for maybe just like a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. That will do the trick, or demerara syrup if you want to make it a little bit more toasty notes. Let's have a beautiful glass. In this case, we want to use a bodega. Fill them up with ice. Ice. Let's double strain our cocktail. Let's get a Luxardo or Maraschino cherry. And we're gonna have a beautiful peel. So another one of the questions is how to make these nice fancy peels. Production, would you do the honors please to come over for 1 second? All right, so perfect way to make like a beautiful lemon peel. Let's make sure you get nice peel over here. You want to put it upright. Small little knife. You want to square it.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. And then you're gonna go like in a really sharp angle, and you go for both sides. Once you have it like this, you go a long cut, 3 of them, and then the actual area where the lemon is going to rest. Just like that. Okay, let's finalize it with some shot bitters. And there you have it. That'll be your Amaretto sour. Moving on, one of my favorite cocktails, including for New Year's. Nothing better than something to pick you up in the middle of the night when you're like completely tired, or maybe you're exhausted from driving and everybody's just having fun, but you are kind of like down. Hey, time to get a pickup with an espresso martini. For this, we're gonna need a fresh espresso martini, so that's why we have our Longi espresso. Let's have that guy working a little bit. And we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces vodka. Coffee liqueur. I love Licor Don Pancho, Borghetti liqueur, Kahlua, not as much, but if that's what you have, go for it. 1 full ounce, that's all you need. Let's give a little hazelnut touch with Frangelico, 1/4 ounce. And our coffee. Ooh. 2 ounces. Let's put some ice. And give it a really, really good shake. You can go either or. Martini glass, your coupe glass, but because it's New Year's, let's go for the nice fancy glass. Let's fine strain. For the presentation, well, just give it a couple seconds until all the actual creme of the coffee just comes up and settles on top of the nice cocktail. And then you're gonna have 3 coffee beans. All right, so learning how to use your crayons on at home, the Amaretto Sour and the Espresso Martini for that lovely New Year's Eve. Salud everyone, please be responsible out there. Remember, don't drink and drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays everyone.